Hello from Ayursiddhi. Today we'll be discussing about the Ayurveda and women health. See, in Ayurveda there are many principles like the things which has to be done during the puberty, early puberty, the pregnancy, preconception and post-pregnancy like postnatal. All these cares are given lot of enhancement. Why? Because those are the very delicate times of the women health. See, during puberty also, the women will be undergoing, the young child will be undergoing so many physical and mental issues. So, if you undergo all these Ayurveda type of nourishment, the both physical and mental status will be taken care of. Like that only, preconception counseling with Ayurveda helps in the proper conception and also in the proper development of the kid. Like only antenatal care, that is stage wise. Like however the monthly development of the child will be altered through our Garbha Samskaras. There will be lot of influence of Garbha Samskara on the child development. Like we'll be giving so many instructions to the mother, like what all music has to be heard, what all stotras to be repeatedly chanted, what all foods also influences on the mental and physical development of the kid, and also the behavioral changes what you expect in the child could be altered in Garbha Samskara only. So only antenatal care, Garbha Samskara is important. Then the Sutika Charya, that is postnatal care. During postnatal care, the mother will be again in agony. She'll not be able to take care of the kid. She'll be becoming very mother in a very short duration. So all those things like managing the kid, the managing herself, and what all to eat, what not to eat, the weight which has she gained has to be lost. There will be peer pressure about that also, and water intake. There will be a lot of confusion during this period for the water intake. All these things we will guide personally and also give certain medications during that time which will answer all these queries. So, for puberty and preconception, antenatal care and postnatal care, contact us. Will be giving you all details, and also all the supplements and nutritional products are personalized and also taken care of each and everybody personally and made and given to you. You can contact us for further details. Thank you.